see if Myers gets it on the inside. Let's see, that's going to be Diarrera today, my bad. So, Zimmerman and the new second place rider, Clay Woolridge. Jones in the 4th spot, Meyer in the 3rd spot, or Diarrera.
Let's go, baby!
So that is the number 5 of Chandler Jones. It looks like Logan Atkinson doing a ball. He is back on the bike.
Let's go! On the bike! On it! On it! On it! On it! On it!
Zimmerman trying to get the door. Jones goes to the outside. Here we go. It's the heat race side by side. Kainoa, Jones, and the 878 of Woolridge. Jones takes over the lead. Also out there is the 332. And the 37 of Fast Freddy Aquino.
Come on! Come on!
149.
Come on! Come on!
And the 183 of Brock Barcelona. Followed at 108 of Logan Atkinson out of Salida. So it's down to Zimmerman and Woolridge. Followed by Diarrera. Wow,
Really?
Zimmerman and Woolridge. Woolridge taking the position through that rocker section. Race 18 on the track, 19 on the gate. First over, 28.
Let's go! Let's go!